Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to part 2 of our making pozole recipe. And this is done. I've opened it, I've released the pressure. We are going to open it and I will show you what this looks like. It smells amazing. So here it is right here. I'm just going to skim off the fat and then show you what it is and how to serve it. Okay, you guys, so this is luscious, delicious pork pozole. Oh, there's the other one. I found two of the bay leaves. That was the last one. Let me just get, whoops, let me get that out of there. Let's see if I get it. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, I'm glad I didn't add any water to it. This looks amazing. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Whoops, it's fogging up the camera. Okay, so I'm going to dish it out and I'm going to show you right now what we add to it. Okay, so here are the toppings. So pozole is good on its own, but it's even better when you add toppings to it. So traditionally, this dish is an authentic Mexican recipe, and you put cabbage on it, some onions, some radishes, some more oregano if you want, and some lemon or lime juice, which I don't have, but we normally don't use that anyway. And then some nice fresh hot tortillas that I got at a local tortilleria. So we are going to dish this out. It is so good, you guys. Please try this if you have not tried it. It is amazing. Okay, so this is what it looks like dished out. Look at that. Fork tender pork, cooked hominy, and our own homemade red pepper sauce, rojo sauce. Oh my gosh, there you go. Look at how good that is. This smells amazing. So you can add more spice to it than I did. I did not add that much spice to it at all, even though we like spicy things. It's going to be hot enough. Usually I'll add some ancho chili powder to it, but I didn't do it this time. So let me show you what we do. So we take some of the cabbage and we sprinkle it on here like that. You can add cheese to this as well. And then some onions, and then some radishes. And this is Mexican comfort food, you guys. Great for a cold night. It is absolutely amazing. So the word of the day for this second part of the video is going to be comfort food. So let me know if you guys have ever tried this before, and if you haven't, try the recipe. I know the video is a little bit long, but I did break it down into steps. It's very, very easy to follow, and I really think you'll enjoy this. If you like a pork stew, and if you like hominy, you will love this recipe. It is so good. So don't forget, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like the video, comment the word of the day down in the comment section to be eligible to win our monthly and random giveaways. And I will be doing, I've been doing random giveaways. I don't know if you guys have noticed or not, but some comments that I find, I have been telling people to email me, and people have been winning random things the last week. So make sure that you comment, because I am looking at all the comments, and if your comment sticks out, I've been giving away stuff, you guys. So I love to give away stuff. So don't miss out. Make sure that you're subscribed. Please share the channel. We are 50 away from 9,000. I'm hoping that we make that tonight, if not by tomorrow morning. And then we're on our way to 10,000, you guys. So please share the video and hit that like button. It helps my channel reach more people. YouTube will push the video out. And I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to comment the word of the day, comfort food. See you guys later.